Look at better roach. Oh, decent roach. Can't even net it. Go! Yes, mate! Oh my days! Hey, look at that! Wow!
Right then guys, so we're on our way to our 8th club match of this year. 8th club match of this year, man. This year's gone by so fast, it is unreal. So we've only 2 matches left after this one, absolute nightmare. But yeah, we're going to go see if we can bag up down here today. Hopefully it should be a good day. The weather's looking like it should be good for later on. I don't know about right now, like. But yeah, man, we're going to do a little bit of barbelling today. Hoping to catch one at least, you know, because this is the sort of place where one barbel can, like, win a match, you know what I mean? It's that sort of place. But yeah, we've been doing well up to now. We've been bagging sort of thing all summer. It hasn't been the best of summers. I mean, if we look back to last year, we was doing a lot more bagging last year, a lot more bagging. But yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, we're just going to see what we can do today. Hopefully catch some fish at least, you know what I mean? So yeah, guys, if you're new around here, my name's Adam. We go fishing all the time. We try to upload every 3 days, so why not go down below, hit that subscribe button. While you're there, hit that little notification button, and you'll know every time we upload an episode. Beautiful stuff. Let's get down there and let's do some bagging, shall we? Let's go. Right then guys, so yeah, like I said earlier on, we're going to do a little bit of barbelling today. We drew peg 3 today. It should be an absolutely great peg this. Looks like it could produce a few barbel or something along those lines. But yeah, I'm going to do a bit of barbelling for most of the day. Because say one fish will probably win today. It's one of those places where it's like a float fishing venue, and if you don't really catch out on the float, then one barbel will win it, you know what I mean? So yeah, hopefully I'm going to spend the first 3 or 4 hours just barbelling and hoping for a fish, and if that don't come to fruition, we're going to go on the float rod and just muster some fish up just so we can weigh in and get those points. But yeah, it's looking like a good day, so let's get to it, shall we? Let's go.
Right then guys, so we've come off the barbel rod and gone on the float. We had about a couple of hours on the barbel rod. Obviously haven't produced anything on the barbel rod, so we decided to come on the float. We've had a couple of roach a minute ago because I've been feeding emp just along the crease since the start of the match. Boom. And now I'm float fishing that exact same crease for any fish that might have been lingering. And there's been a couple. Boom. So yeah, I think we're gonna stick with this for the rest of the day. And hope for the best. Fair, if I can get onto those decent roach, we should be good. Just keeping that going in. River is absolutely perfect for float fishing as well. It's just towing through ever so slightly, which is dreamy. Perfect. I've got a decent bit of river to send it down as well, not that it's getting far. So it should get into about there and going under every single time. and catch these fish all day on the float. We've had some decent ones already. That's the smallest one we've had. There we've got the bowler one there and the Olivet. Just seeing what we can do. So yeah guys, I'm going to keep persevering on with this, and hopefully we can put a few decent fish in the net. Let's keep going. Decent roach. Ooh, aye. Oof, nearly back out. Do you know, I just can't believe it. When I was in Hereford the other week, I had two people swim by me, and I said I'd never seen anybody swim by me on river ever. What's this, 3-4 weeks later? And there's another two people swimming down river, man. Dominic won't believe it. I wonder if they swam here from Hereford. Who swims down the river? Clearly those people. Still bagging. Getting those decent roach on go today. Tell you what, it's warm. Extremely warm, man. Turn out to be a good day if these fish keep coming. Hopefully. Wish I had some tears with me. Some tears, I reckon I could get those better roach on go every chuck. Yeah, we're going to persevere with the maggots and casters. See what happens. Let's keep going. Looks like a better roach. Oh, decent roach. Might even net it. Didn't want to swing that. What? Boom, beautiful fish. Keep that going in. Keep those fish coming. Bag in. Another perch. Ooh, barely a swinger, barely a swinger. Look at that real bony mouth, man. That was only just hooked. Got about an hour left for putting some decent fish in the net, to be fair. Boom. Oh, they're fighting, they're fighting. Yeah, let's keep going. Right then guys, so we're all done down here now. We're going to get everybody weighed in, you know what I mean, but I did make a schoolboy error this morning and I do not know how I've done this. I turned up to this match without a keep net or a landing net. I know what you're thinking, how have you managed that? Well, I have no idea. But when I got here, I've got halfway here, and it is a long walk and it is a long drive home, so I wasn't going back for it. So somebody's had to lend me. They brought two landing nets, so somebody had to lend me a landing net, but nobody had a spare keep net, so I had to use the weighing sling as my keep net today. Absolute nightmare. So I'm going to weigh myself in right now, obviously film it so I can't cheat or anything like that, no, even though that I wouldn't do anything like that, you know what I mean. But yeah, I'm going to get weighed in and see what's crack. Let's go. Let's go. We had a few fish, not many. I say I sat it out for a barbel contraption that I made. Ugh. Not half bad. Good day. £3.9 exactly. Boom. Yeah, good day. A few fish. Burler. Could have had more than that, easy. We'll see what everybody else has done. Boom. Let's go and have a look. Oh yeah then. Mate, what the? Your peg's in 4 bits. That's 2 weeks, 2 thingies. Yeah. Marbling peg this, get out.
Solid stumps, isn't it? That's alright, like, 4 or 5 pounds.
Yeah.
Can't tell if you can see like a tree or something like that.
You can see them stumps in there, can't you?
Yeah, that's what we're looking at now. Isn't it? My peg was the same. Couldn't send a float through it. Yeah. Never like coming down here.
That's what I did that day. I come down here, walked up the hill there, and you shouted me.
Tom!
Come on.
Never. Dodgy this like. Every one of them.
Got up off pot, I throw it out like that. Got up off pot to go around, as I turn around like that, tips following me around.
Never.
Yeah. You know when you wait for it to go and wait for it to settle again, and it didn't. I'll just wait for it to go. Ah, it's not moving, I'll reel it back in. Did nothing on the end of it, everything was done.
Never? Been done, haven't you?
Right on barbel rod.
Hey, bye.
Hey, bite.
Yeah. Got a fish on it as well.
Perch.
Yeah.
That's all I had.
Half a lobworm, size 8 hook.
Now bunch of fish on lobby early on.
Yeah, them 2 bites, well, I lost them 2 big ones. Only 2 I got. Only 2 proper bites.
Feel like bream or barbel.
don't know. First one was definitely a slab, but it had lobworm on a size 16 up, so that. The other one I got to about here, so I didn't see it.
16, man, you want to be fishing?
8 and 10.
Yeah. Galt perch.
Fish.
Got a new PB perch in there.
Yeah. Couple in there.
You've been fishing feeder with lobbies all day, haven't you?
Well, I didn't have any option on me. Did I have to go borrow some off him?
Good day that, man. I bet there's a good 7 or 8 pound there. Look at the size of them perch.
That's the one I've just got off on Barbara.
Chub and all, it's got.
Oh, there's a chub in there somewhere.
Oh, yeah. You always do all right out of this peg, you. Oh, easy, man.
They go round.
Almost. Good day. That £8 dead.
Yeah, it's not going to go over it.
£8 dead.
Awesome. Yes, right, yeah. That's the one there.
Look at that for a perch there, man.
Barblewood.
Never. Oh, let me pick it up.
I'll tell you what, what's it on?
There's hook there, look.
That's man, that's what raked me off earlier. It went on hook length, honestly. £2.12.
You get it.
On barbel rod?
No, not barbel rod, no, that was on
Oh, here you go, here you go.
thingy float rod.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's what raked me off earlier. No wonder on a £2.12 hook length, look at the size of it.
Right off it.
In fact, came up for one of these earlier. That scruffy little one somewhere.
Has somebody clipped that wire back off there?
He's been fiddling with it.
Somehow, I've come to his peg and his
Yeah, pegs in 4 bits.
his peg's in 4 bits. Been snapped into 4 bits somehow.
The kids were going by earlier, weren't they?
I heard someone go bang earlier on. It wouldn't have gone into 4 bits like that.
What was it, £8 dead?
You under £1.8 on that one, do you think?
Nah, about the same, innit?
Yeah, that'll be what did me earlier. When I said to you, I've been done by 2 fish, well that must have been one of them.
I can't believe that.
Well, no, yeah, because it went on, actually went
I've
on
done
the
that
hook
before though. Peg I had my barbel out of, Jim. This is peg I had my barbel out of.
I was up here packing a bit of stuff. When I looked, rod was up like that. I wouldn't jump that down there. The lot went.
Never. Big snag down here. Was you getting that snag down there?
I got one from over there. It was a lovely bite and all. And I got it and it went down. Went.
Yeah, that's what my barbel did. I walked up here and it come out.
I thought, oh, I'll go up there a bit and see if I can take it that way. Yeah. I don't know if it's weed or not, you know.
Yeah.
I lost 3 feeders in the end.
I lost about a dozen hook lengths.
Go on, lad. Not a bad day for you, that.
Yeah. Some chubbers.
Chub, nub the chub. Shallow compared to when we was down there, wasn't it?
Yeah, I think that water was right up there, wasn't it, to that lip, because I daren't go down there.
Hmm?
When we was here, you daren't go down there, it was that slippy.
No, I wasn't going down there. Could have done with digging out a bit more, but unfortunately, you're not allowed, are you? So I have to sit there on your bag.
14 ounces, not pounds.
How many?
14.
Pounds or ounces? Go on, lads, not a deadening sight, look. Over and pipe comes up.
Aye,
Haven't seen any of them. Eh?
ounces. I had some decent ropes, like.
We were sat there early on. Click, click, click. Conkers dropping all over the stuff.
I'll watch your head with them.
Eh?
I'll watch your head with them.
I mean, not conkers. Still knock it out.
Yeah. Come down fast. And add now. Didn't even really need a keep net today.
Right. But honestly, you see them piles under there,
Oh yeah, yeah.
they go right on here.
Didn't there used to be like a salmon thing or something down here?
Somewhere around here, mate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wanna go to all and ask if they've got any pictures down here from years ago.
Alright, won't it?
Do you know of all this?
Yeah.
Like how it used to be?
You can imagine with these, can't you? Fucking.
My dad said some old woman used to chase you when you come fishing down here. Old lady something she was called.
Used to chase you.
Yeah.
Fucking throw her in, man.
Fucking fall in. I can't get out.
There you go. Deadly half of these pegs.
Right, if we could get down properly though, isn't it?
So if you get down there, if you ever draw it, fish inside. Don't go out there, because if you put feeder out over there, you don't get out back.
Never.
No.
I know, yeah.
Perch again.
I had a couple of alright-ish.
We'll do them better than fucking. All of a sudden, bleep
One
took
there, one there, I just seen. There he is.
over. Fucking hell. Let's hide and look at. I'm a fucking herring anyway. What about that, you know?
£5.7.
Yeah, that. I only fell in twice, mate.
Just
Just I went
fucking
down
not
on
even
the
for
box
it.
there. So I could stand to get out.
Yeah,
The box fell in ash.
never. £5.7 Oz. Doing alright.
Another match again, isn't it? Yeah.
Right.
It's what?
Another match for all the guys.
Yeah, they're bagged up, wasn't he? As you what is it, look? Another one gone.
Oh, that's 4 bits down there.
No, it was up there.
Kids have been fucking about with it.
Can't have now. Are you coming? Bagged up, man. Good day. Easy done, your dad there.
I want them, son.
Look at that roach there, what a roach. Easy done you here, easy.
What's that?
One there, look.
And roach, yeah.
That's a decent roach shot, look at that. That ones you want, aren't they? Get them going, man.
Well, whip on them, man.
Oh, you ain't done him, ain't done him.
Close.
Second again. Nah, didn't hear, man. I wouldn't if I hadn't got that perch.
£7.5. Good day, man. That is a doggo roach, that like.
Can't find it up for them, bro, can you?
Nah, if you could, that'd be good.
Perfect, but whip on them, man.
On them.
£7.5. He come and borrowed about a pint of hemp off me. Do you know what I mean? Shouldn't have given me it.
No, mate, don't lend anybody any bait because then they beat you.
£7.5.
You borrow him all the way casters,
Mission that. Huh?
Fishing all afternoon. That boat went by with them hiking. I said to him, we've done any good, like, I've had a couple of little ones, one over there, I said, I've had 6 or 7. But I saw him catch 3 in less than 10 minutes. One of them was like that.
Was it?
Yeah.
Free.
Pike.
Alright, alright.
Hiking.
Never.
Just throwing this thing right over there.
Can we get one?
Yeah.
Boring. Good peg now though.
Yeah. Cleaned her out. You had your shears out. Dug thingies out and everything.
Even dug that out, look.
Go.
No box to put it in. I've been sat there all day.
It's been warm.
Yeah, it was nice, wasn't it, when it got out?
Yeah, I was sweating at one point. Yeah. Looks decent for sending a float through, like.
Hey?
Looks good for sending a float through.
Oh, that's a runner float tip was crap. Tip was fucking rubbish.
Yeah, you might as well have took it on keep out.
Is that a decent chub?
Yeah.
Aye.
Yeah. There's been no good in there. People have been fishing over there all day. Biking. And I think they're
Barbling.
barbling over there.
Yeah, I can see him there, look.
You know, I lost one of them and all. That chub.
Hold on,
Come down to a little look.
Something.
Fucking snapped it. Well, you can't catch now, so you have to come down to a smaller rock.
One's jumped out there, look. Decent chub.
You had to come down. Don't touch that, all we were doing was pulling end.
£3 dead.
It's alright. We felt.
Right. Back.
Yeah, I got brought twice. First one I lost that. But when they're coming down Jorrit Week fishing them there.
Right then guys, so that was today's match. We did alright, man. I say we sat it out for the barbel all day. Didn't happen. Yeah, we just had to muster a few fish up just to get us a few points. But yeah, Mick came first with, I think it was £8 dead. I'm struggling to remember the weights. Dominic was second with around £7.6. And third place was good old Baz with £5 odd, and then I just managed to sneak into fourth place with was it £3.9 dead. But yeah, it was an alright day. So we had to just try that, you know what I mean. It's worth trying it, just because I say if you catch that one fish, you're gonna win a match, aren't you? You know what I mean. So yeah, at least we give it a whirl. You take those chances. Sometimes they pay off, sometimes they don't. So yeah guys, make sure you stay tuned because we've got some adventures coming up soon, man. Some literally all over the country adventure. It's going to be absolutely great. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any other episodes, guys. And I shall see you in the next episode. Bye.